Some parts come off easy, and some parts fight for their life. Today we're removing the fifth main gear out of this 2001 Harley 5-speed transmission. And a few pieces gave us a real battle. For instance, first up is this inner race bearing. If you ever worked on a Harley 5-speed, you already know. This thing is pressed on from the factory, and it does not like to leave. This one needed extra persuasion. We took our time working it off the shaft without damaging surrounding components. The tool that's used, we've got about 4 of them because they're really weak. We get them from eBay. As you can see, it's pulling it. This race is on that shaft. It's tough. It's fighting. Nope. So we're gonna give it a try again. There we go. Voila. 34091-85 inner race bearing. Next is the sprocket nut. Always remember, Harley made this reverse thread. Our first attempt with the impact wasn't enough. Here's another fighter. So we have to warm it up a little bit with the propane. Pretty sure that Loctite that was used in the factory is on there really good, doing its job. Remember, guys, this is reverse thread. We are actually going clockwise to remove the nut. Looks like the heat worked. Got to put that fire on it, guys. Don't be afraid to put that fire on it. As long as there's no fuel anywhere, put some fire on it, man. Make your job easier. There we go. 35211-91 sprocket nut. This 32 tooth transmission sprocket is a popular SKU for us. Clean condition, minimal wear, and always in demand. Shifter cam is up next. 4 screws. This was a pretty smooth removal. No surprises. Get that latch up. There you go. 33383-00 shifter cam. Next, it's a shifter fork shaft. Straightforward removal. Always a good sign. The transmission lived a clean life. And here we go. We've got 3 shifter forks. All 3 were clean. No heat damage. No wear on the tips. Here's another item that usually comes out without a fight. It's the centering pin, 34978-00. So as you can see, the internal gear set, the transmission 5-speed gear set, looks like it's ready to release from the case. And give it a bump. Harley did well with this. This is one compact assembly. This is your internal 5-speed transmission assembly. Cartridge assembly. And here's the last piece. This is our 5th main gear. We remove the retaining ring before bringing it to the press. All parts from this 2001 Harley-Davidson Road Glide transmission will be listed on our website, MidwestMotorParts.com. We ship worldwide from Chicago Heights, Illinois. We thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next teardown. And my name is Slick. (35029-94), the 5th main gear, pressed out of the case.